Question number 1. Sequence of changes in cell involves replication of DNA, period of growth. Option number C, both A and B. Question number 2. G phase completes in 9 hours. Question number 3. S phase completes in 10 hours. Question number 4. Division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. Question number 5. Whole cell division is called cytokinesis.
Question number 6. Cancer is caused mainly by mitosis. Question number 7. Exchange of chromosome segments is called crossing over. Question number 8. Cell death helps us control the number of neurons. Question number 9. Cell death due to tissue damage is called necrosis. Question number 10. The death of cell is programmed in apoptosis. Question number 1. What percentage of DNA is present in chromosomes? Option number A, 40. Question number 2. Highly condensed portion of chromatin are called heterochromatin. Question number 3. When mutant male is crossed with normal female, all F1 progeny had red eye. Question number 4. Hydroxyl group is attached to dash atom of pentose sugar. Answer is 3 carbon. Question number 5. Who showed that the amount of adenine in DNA always equal the amount of thymine? Option number A, Erwin Chargaff. Question number 6. The parental double helix would remain intact and generate DNA copies consisting of entirely new molecule is option number B, conservative model. Question number 7. The small change in the structure of DNA is called mutation. Question number 8. Transfer of information from DNA to RNA which occurs when an mRNA copy of gene is produced. This is called transcription. Question number 9. Coding strand is also called sense strand. Question number 10. Which of the following are called non-sense codon? Option number A. Question number 11. Substitution of one or few base is called base substitution. Question number 12. Phenylalanine consequently accumulates in the cell leading to mental retardation.
Question number 1. Chromosomal structure discussed by W. Fleming. Question number 2. On two bases of position of centromere, chromosomes divided into 4 types. Option C. Question number 3. Chromosomes are made up of DNA, RNA and protein. All of these. Option number D. Question number 4. Chromosomes consist of 2 regions. Option number B. The question number 5. The chromosomal theory given by option number B, Sutton. Question number 6. Hershey and Chase use the technique of option number B, radioactivity. Question number 7. The basic unit of DNA is option number A, nucleotide. Question number 8. Each loop of DNA helical consists of minimum number of nucleotide are about option number D, 10. Question number 9. The transfer of code of DNA to RNA is known as transcription. Option number D. Question number 10. The protein synthesis consists process of translation and transcription. Option number C, both of these. Question number 11. Any change in the content of genetic material is known as mutation. Question number 12. The RNA are of 3 types. Question number 13. The semi-conservative nature of DNA confirmed by Mazellan and Stahl, both of these. Question number 14. The codons of amino acids are N bases. Question number 15. Which of the following are types of chromosomal aberration? Deletion, addition, translocation. So answer is option number D, all of these.